Part 2 of our lab asks us to vary the mass. This time I'm going to use all of the washers, and I'm going to keep the amplitude and the length the same. So in both trials, I'm going to pull this to 15 degrees, and with full mass, we're going to time 5 cycles. Next, I'm going to remove 3 of the washers. Actually, I'm going to take 5 of these washers off. Keeping the same length. And we'll time 5 cycles. Here we go. 15 degrees. So for our last run, I'm going to take all the washers off. Keeping the same length. Same amplitude of swing, about 15 degrees, and time 5 cycles. So using your stopwatch, you can time each one of these rotations to determine how mass affects the period.